Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do slow motion in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and we have our clip right here for our slow motion effect. So first of all, let's right click on our clip and then go into properties right here, and you can see the frame rate right here of your video. So basically in doing slow motion, the higher your frame rate, the more smooth your slow motion will be and the more slow you could go. So since this is only 24 FPS, then this is not really that, we can't really go that slow. We can only go like 70% or something like that. So to activate the slow motion, we need to right click on our clip, and then we need to go into speed and duration right here, click on it, and then we can go for speed right here. Since we only have a 24 FPS, I think we can only go for 70. This is what I like to do when I only have 24 FPS. Then for the time interpolation, I go for optical flow so that it would be so much smoother. And I want to hit OK. And after that, it will be like this right here. As you can see, it got longer because it got slower. And when I play it, it's now like this. And that is the slow motion video, and this is without the slow motion right here so that you can tell the difference right there. This is without slow motion. And let me show you what would happen if you go below 17, like if you have a low frame rate and you still go with low numbers, like for example 30, and we go for optical flow right there, and it will be so, as you can see, it's so choppy just like that. So it's not really that good. So if you want smoother results, then I guess you could go for 60 or 65, just like that. This is so much smoother than that. But it's still choppy. What I recommend really is go for 80, just like that. And as you can see, it's so much smoother. But of course, we can't really go very slow because our frame rate is very low. So if you're going for slow motion, make sure to have at least 60 FPS if you want to go really slow. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.